Now this is the Fuji White 3-litre diesel D250 Dynamic SE with only 4,000 miles on. And what a car this is. 7-seater, brilliant miles per gallon, lots of power. But it just looks like a new car really in every single way. You've got a sliding panoramic roof, the black styling on it, and the Fuji White is a brilliant colour. Love everything about it, under manufacturer's warranty. The wheels are silver. Now normally we talk about black styling, black wheels, big wheels, and that's absolutely right. But certain cars with the silver wheels, like this particular one, does look absolutely perfect. 21-inch wheels, so they're a good size wheel. It is a new model car, so you have the LED light system front and rear. The Dynamic starts off here with the front bumpers and the inserts, the splitters as well. Front rear parking sensors, the 360 camera system, which is seen at the start of the video. The new grills, the badging, headlight washers. The car's in perfect condition. 2 keys, no dents, no scratches, genuinely in a fabulous condition. You then got the contrasting black roof, the black mirror cap covers, some protection glass. But then check this interior out. Full black leather interior with a white stitching, the Dynamic entry kick plate, but the leather's got that perforated seat, the short shifter gear stick, dual zone climate control, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, full multifunction steering wheel, but other things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Meridian sound system. But the car smells and looks like a new car because it is a 23 registration with only 4,000 miles on. It's a 7-seater, lots of space in the middle row seats here with reclining rear seats, ISOFIX attachment, 3-point seatbelts, and that centerpiece comes down which creates an armrest for the middle row passengers. But it's got a massive boot if you're not going to use a 7 seats, and when you do use a 7 seats, you've still got a decent sized boot. Automated tailgate. You've got a signature split tailgate as well. By pressing that button, this drops electronically. That's to cover the valuables. And then you've got the 3rd row seats, which are full-size adult seats. You press that button on the side there, and then it literally goes down as easy as that. And there's loads of space. If you come and look at this, the knee space and leg space in the back for the 3rd row passengers is plenty. Lots of it. And the middle row seats move electronically. You press that button, this goes up, that goes down. How nice is this car? Now look at the live pricing. This is going to sell straight away because we've priced it bang on the money. Somebody who wants a 7-seater, new shape Discovery, good engine, good car with enough specification, then this is it. There's that multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shift, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, your 360 camera system there. Press that, and then you've got your cubby hole space behind. You've also got the wireless charging pad down there, USB, twin cup holders, and there's the 2 keys again. Centre armrest lifts up with more cubbyhole space underneath, followed by USB and USB-C. Glasses case holder above your head. You're sat nice and high up. You still got air suspension, different drive programs available, and you have memory seats for the driver. You can't really want much more. In Fuji White with a black styling pack on, with a beautiful 21-inch wheels. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.